what is he like? He wears red, he comes in his hair is white. That's nice. He comes in the night, he loves with children, and I see you. And he wants us to be good. Now imagine Jesus, what is he like? He wears red, his hair is white, he comes in the night, he knows that he loves little children, and he brings gifts. Santa's the symbol of Christmas. The symbol of Christmas reminds us of Christ.
Very good, brother.